Hello explorers, welcome to my channel TBX. Today I have something interesting to show you. As a kid, we have drawn the Indian flag many times in school with pen or paper. I have made the flag stain physically. So let's assemble it and let's get started. So the materials which I have used are as follows. I have created 3 plates using scrap aluminium, as can be seen here, with varied sizes, and I have used a nut which is readily available from a local hardware shop, and there is a metal rod which is welded on the nut. Now the thread, you can see the threads here. So the plate which will be at the bottom most has internal threads as per the nuts available. Now this plates has been made round using lathe machine, and this has been welded using welding machine. So you can use your local engineering workshop which is available nearby to do the following. Now here the rod size which I have used is of the standard size of the flags available from any stationery shop. This is the one which I bought from the local stationery shop. So let's assemble it. So before we assemble, I would like to ask you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel, because only 6% of you are subscribing to my channel and rest are not subscribing. So please subscribe to my channel if you found this useful. So yeah, let's get started. And one more thing guys, as there is a metal rod here, so please keep it away from young children's. You can use a wooden stick as well. So I was having these metal strings, that's the reason I use this metal string. Yeah, so as you can see here, so this is how it looks. Hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks.